Okay, it's been 2 months since the last video that I made, but there's been progress made on the railroad. You can see here the telephone poles have finally been put up in the one area. All of the construction workers are gone from that section, and they're hanging out back in that area that has been unclaimed. So now we've moved into the downtown section. So you can see here we've actually got a little bit of scenery in and my cat coming in the screen, and we've put in the downtown buildings. You can see the roads are semi-marked before they get actually paved. The buildings were what I was working on most of the time, especially the four taller buildings. They had to get painted and get all put together. Put in some more work up here. You can see that the crew has now turned and are getting ready to do the pavement of the road. We finished off the rest of the area around the downtown section and put in a bunch of the foundations and sidewalks. Now, there was a problem. Once I finished all the buildings, I came up with a little bit of an issue. My buildings don't fit to where exactly I need them to go. You can see here that there's going to be an alleyway that goes along the back side. And unfortunately, the buildings that I picked out, I checked them out and I measured them, and they don't quite fit. So there won't be enough way to actually put in an alleyway in the back. So that means that all those buildings that I just finished, which were all painted in brick and painted inside, you can see the window details and all that, are going to have to be replaced with something else. The shorter buildings may stay, but that's where my next section of the layout is going to have to be. So again, I got kind of a little bit of a delay. We're going to have to fix that up. You can see here, we're looking at what we're going to do with the lumber yard and the lumber area. I found a nice grain elevator that I was able to pick up at a swap meet not too long ago. And then our other section that we have to do is our concrete plant or cement factory, which will be coming along later. So you'll see something later after I finish and figure out how I'm going to correct my buildings. I haven't found any that are quite small enough that I want to do yet. But at least that one portion is done. And then the things I have to do is finish off the intersections, paint the lines, and put in a fence that's going to go along the back section there. So that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.